today's a beautiful day outside, and unfortunately I got to work on the V-Rod today. I was hoping to get out one of the last days of beautiful weather for a while, but I was riding the terrace yesterday with a couple friends of mine, and I noticed that my rear tire, it's showing thread, so it's finished. I was hoping to get a little longer out of it, and the other day I was coming back from Prince Rupert, and I don't know if it was hitting a couple hard bumps or not, chances are. But I've always had a problem with this heat shield. It's been a little bit rattly. I've had another video before where when I first bought the bike, the heat shield was causing me a little bit of a conundrum. And so one of my tabs right here broke. And I lost 2 bolts on the highway. And actually I lost a bolt right here too on my radiator. I'm going to replace that. And so yesterday we went out to go and try to find some square bolts to fit inside of there, and we couldn't find any bolts in the whole area. And so now Jim is making homemade bolts for me. Nuts, pardon, not part of nuts.
We found some cap screws.
Right, that's right. We found the cap screws but couldn't find any nuts. Sorry, I'm saying bolts the whole time, nuts. And so today he's going to make me some homemade nuts today, and we're going to try to fit them in those tabs. This is the whole point of what we're trying to create right here. And then I got to pull the V-Rod off the road and get the Sportster back on the road for next year, because, or finish this year, because I don't know. I want to change my rims. And yeah, so I'm not going to replace the tire if I'm going to change my rims. And so that's what's going on right now. We got to get rid of this damn V-Rod off the road again and put the Sportster on and just finish up with what's left over here.